Hi guys, it's Michelle. So I wanted to take the time real quick and show you how to program your robot, especially for our initial robot data assignment, mostly because the projector is broken and I can't really show you, so this will have to do. Anyways, first thing you guys are going to do is going to log into Canvas, and when you get in, you're going to see our module. So I just added the initial robot data assignment under week 1. So you're going to click on it, and this is going to be just one person in your group, whoever is going to be recording your data. And you're going to see 2 files here. So if you have the EV3, which is the black box, you're going to click on this file. If you have the NXT, which is the white box, you're going to click on this one. So whichever one you have, you're going to click on it. As usual, you're going to do File, Make a Copy, which is here. And then once you have your copy, you're going to share it with your group members. You guys are just going to use one document this time, but please make sure that everyone in your group actually turns it in. Go ahead and fill out their names, and if you have 3 people, just put another column in. And we're going to start with EV3 initial robot data. So the whole point of this is so we have data on basic movements, so that when you guys finally get to my pattern, you know how fast and slow different movements and different patterns are going to be. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with 75% power. So you guys are going to pull up the robot program in a second, and you're going to be looking for the steering module thing, which is this here. And you're going to try to set it up exactly how they show it in each column. So for distance, you guys see it's 0. Then the power is at 75%. It's going to be 1 rotation, and so on and so forth. So you are going to change the duration here for each one. This is for distance, so you'll be doing something, this is changing it to seconds, which is this. So you'll be doing something similar, and then degrees here, and doing something similar. So what this looks like is if you go into Lego Mindstorms, and if you don't remember how to get here, you just click the magnifying glass and type in Lego when it should pop up. You're going to hit the plus to do a new project. Maybe. Okay. And with this project, go ahead and do File, Save As, and name it something like the first initials of your group. So if it was me, Jessica, and I don't know, Tyler, I do HJT and then initial. And you're going to do save. And then what you guys are going to do is you're going to look for the same exact module that's here. So that's this one here. So you're going to click and drag, and then you're going to make sure that here is on for rotations. Then you're going to put it at 0, change this to 75, and then 1. You're going to go and then download the program. So once you have it set up, you're going to plug in your robot and then hit this down arrow here, and it should automatically download it to the robot. You should hear the robot beep to confirm it's there. Then once it's on there, you guys can unplug the robot and test it. And you guys are going to be measuring how far the EV3 goes with that set of power limit. And you'll write your measurements here in inches. So you're most likely going to need to use a ruler or a yardstick for this. And please don't destroy them. Once you've gone through and changed it for all of these, so your duration is going to be this module right here. So this is 1. You're going to change it to 2, 3, 4 through 5, and then you'll download it each time. Once you have all of your data, then you're going to switch over to distance with seconds. Do the same thing. And then for degrees, you're going to switch it here to degrees, and then you're going to type in the degrees here, and they are listed right here. Once you have that, you're going to answer the question and then go ahead and move and do the same thing for 50% power and then 25% power. For the most part, we will not be using 100% power. So I know you guys like to go fast, but you're going to have to just kind of lay off for now. We really don't want to run down the batteries or the motors going that fast all the time. Then you guys are going to go ahead and you're going to graph each point of data, and you're going to have to use either Excel or Google Numbers in order to do this. You might be able to insert you can insert a chart here as well, and this is going to be a line chart. And then you're going to go through and work through the prediction. Once you have that, you're going to go through exploring turns, and you're going to use just one steering block in order to do that. And you're going to take a screenshot of each module. So if I was turning here, I would switch this to a gentle curve, which is something like that, and I would take a screenshot of the module. And remember to do a screenshot, it's Command F4. And then you'll continue going throughout the document. So I hope that makes sense. If you have questions, let me know, and I am more than willing to help you out. Thank you.